What's up guys, and welcome back to Veggie on Pennies. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Alexia and I like to share easy, vegan and simple recipes to help you live healthy while being frugal. So today I'm trying out this TikTok trend that I've seen going around for the past few days, and I was kind of like really excited to try it because it's a food that I actually eat quite often, and that is pancake cereal. I'm a fan of cereal, I'm a fan of pancakes, so I feel like mixing them together and making like baby out of it is gonna be like really fun to try out. Pretty simple really. I'm just gonna use my regular pancake batter and just make them into little tiny cute shapes and see how it turns out. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just jump right in the video. Those are the ingredients I'm starting with today. I've done this recipe a lot of times before. Sometimes I make it as pancakes, sometimes I make it as waffles, but today's gonna be pancakes because we're doing pancake cereal. Starting off with some chocolate milk just because I did not have any of the like original kinds. I ran out. I only had chocolate left, so I'm gonna try just using that. Then I have some sugar, I have vanilla extract, baking powder, salt, apple cider vinegar, flour, cinnamon, just the usual. And then I also added some sprinkles because we're gonna make it cute. Alright, so for the batter, it's so simple. I've shown this so many times, but I'm actually starting with chocolate milk because like I said, I ran out of my regular milk. I'm adding 1 cup of that, then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to make my buttermilk. Then with my dry ingredients, I'm adding 1 cup of flour, and then I realized that I forgot vanilla extract, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon of that into my wet. Then back to my dry, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and lastly, half a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm just gonna dump my wet ingredients into my dry, and with a whisk, I'm just gonna whisk it up really nice until I get a nice batter consistency. So not too liquid, not too dry, just the right amount, like so. And once I'm ready to fry my pancakes, I'm just gonna use a cast aluminum pan that I have. I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut oil to heat it up on low heat. And as you can see here, I'm actually using a half a tablespoon measurement, and I found that it was a perfect size to make those little tiny shaped pancakes. And yeah, it's pretty simple. I'm just using my spatula once I see bubbles on top and flipping them to cook the other side. You'll notice that these cook really quickly, on average maybe 1 minute on each side, sometimes 2 minutes. But yeah, once they're done on either side, I just dump them into my bowl and repeat the process until I have a full bowl of cereal. Once you have a full bowl of cereal, this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna top them off with a maple syrup drizzle and then some confetti sprinkles that I had, and this is what it looks like when it's done. Be in the moment, so I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about, I saw people on TikTok that were actually eating them with milk and other with like maple syrup, but I think I'm just gonna go with maple syrup because even though it's supposed to be cereal, like milk is just gonna make them really soggy and like not really good. So I'm just gonna go the traditional route and just add some maple syrup to top them off. And yeah, they turned out really nice and golden. I think I might start using chocolate milk more often because they just look so much better and like aesthetic and like golden, and like they got a really nice color to them. I really like it. I'm gonna go ahead and top them off with some amazing maple syrup, and I'm gonna dig in. I also added some sprinkles, which I don't know if that was a good idea because I feel like they're gonna be hard. Yeah, the sprinkles are kind of like crunchy, so it's not really a good vibe because the pancakes are really soft. I got some maple syrup on the bottom. I think I added a little bit too much. I'm just gonna mix my maple syrup with my pancakes. And it's kind of awkward to eat with a spoon, but I feel like I have to because it's cereal. Guys, I think this is a win. This is really fun. Yeah, I would recommend. Really good. You should try it. This was a really fun little trend to try out. I saw it all over TikTok and I wanted to try it out for myself. So yeah, so far I've tried the dalgona coffee. That was like episode 1 of TikTok trends, and this is, I guess, episode 2. So I'm gonna keep looking and see what else I can like try to recreate myself. I've also noticed that boba pearls are kind of like popular. Like I see a lot of people making boba pearls on TikTok, so I might try and do that as well, because I've never made boba pearls before in my life. I had boba like maybe once or twice before, so that might be a really interesting recipe for me to try out. But yes guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and give this video a like. You can also subscribe to my channel for more content coming very soon, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Okay with me. Okay.